park!
Welcome to the toy park, guys. Today Hello Kitty is going to open a Mr. Man bag for us. This one, it's a pencil case and there's lots of Mr. Man and Little Miss. There is Mr. Happy, Little Miss Princess, and Mr. Bump. Also Mr. Tickle and Mr. Smart. Let's see what's in this. I think Hello Kitty is really excited. Oh wow! It's a puzzle. It's a Peppa Pig puzzle. Look, it's a maze. There is a giant bear over here in a jungle, and that's the castle. Looks like they have to escape from the giant bear and escape all the way to where the safety of castle. Looks like a complicated maze, but first we're gonna have to find out where the piece is. Oh dear, must be in the bag. Oh, there it is. Let's see if Hello Kitty can do all this by herself. Hey, look, there's a picture of Mama Pig. Mama Pig. And it goes here. Looks like this puzzle. It's not the one at the back. The back must be just a maze. I'm gonna have to do the maze later. Let's finish the puzzle. This, it's not the edge, so let's find the edges first. This is an edge. Oh look, that looks like it's a magic wand. Yeah, must go over there. Hey, look what I found. Must be Peppa Pig. It's a rounded corner. Oh, there it is. It looks like she's Peppa Pig Fairy. She's wearing a crown and she's got wings, and this must be her magic wand. Look! Is this a cloud? Looks like part of a cloud, but there's some green in it too, so it must be here. There it is. What about this one? It's quite tricky because we don't know where it is. And we don't have a picture of the puzzle. Let's put this over here. It looks like it fits. There it is. What about this one? Hey, it's another edge. There it is. It looks like it's Peppa Pig's hand and her red dress. Let's see. Hey, that's perfect. Oh look, here's another rounded corner with a bit of green in it. Let's see. Hey, we've got this part done. Okay, only one left? But wait. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pieces missing. Oh, but there's only one left. That means we've got 7 pieces missing. Oh no! Let's see where this piece goes first, and then we'll decide what to do. Looks like the shape fits onto this part. Hey! Done! So now we have 7 pieces missing. Oh, wait. What's that noise? Oh, hello. Is that a giant Elmo? Oh, wow. It's a giant Sesame Street car. Cool. But wait, look. Looks like we can open it. Shall we help Hello Kitty open it? Oh, surprise eggs in it. Let's take them all out. Yellow surprise egg. Oh, hey, it's another rounded corner. Ooh, I know now. All these puzzle pieces must be hiding in all these surprise eggs. Look, we can see Papa Pig's face in it. 1, 'A gold one. Oh, this one, I can see the letter P. I can also see the letter I. The next letter must be G. Peg. Hey, has to go over here. That's it. We're getting there. Look at the puzzle. Let's try the orange one. Oh wow, it's another rounded corner. It's got Peppa Pig's body and half of her head on it. Must go over here. There's only one corner left. So it must be the one. Perfect. We've got all 4 corners done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 empty space. Pink egg. Hey, it's one for the side. There. Now Mama Pig's face has been completed. Let's see. Oh look, 2 more eggs here. Blue egg and a green egg. Thank you, Elmo. Blue egg. Look. We are going to complete Peppa Pig's face here. Let's see. Green egg. There it is. Oh, but wait. Oh no, there is one missing. Oh dear. Too bad, the puzzle is not complete. Ah, I have an idea. There is no more puzzle. Let's double check. Maybe one. Oh, there it is. One is left inside the Mr. Man and Little Miss bag. Whew. Yay! That's it. We are done. Look, it's Peppa Pig Fairy. Well done, Hello Kitty. And thank you, Elmo, for bringing the rest of the puzzles. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the toy park. Bye-bye.